everyone, happy winter. Well, it's not winter yet, but the snowfall has finally started and it's white outside. It's so lovely. I've already started rocking the winter candle, not candle, but the scented wallflowers. I've had them on already. I got the whole Christmas vibes going. It's just such a lovely time of the year. I'm just so excited for Christmas. Yeah. I also went out because it's off today. It's a holiday. I went out to get my nails did. So I already have all the glitter for the festivities. I have it already. And so basically I wanted to show you guys what I got from MAC. Their holiday, one of their holiday collections is out. So this is the Lucky Stars Retro Matte Kit. So it retails for $35. For a $50 value. It comes with 3 mini, well, I'll show you guys a little case. So it's so cute and pretty, so gold, so me. It comes with a little star zipper. And it comes with comes with 3 mini velvet retro matte lipsticks. So if you guys don't know what the retro matte lipsticks, these are these ones. Okay, it's really wrapped. So, oh, they're so cute. They're so pretty. So it comes with 3 mini size. But all right, so 3 mini size. So right there, it comes with this is topped with brandy. This is texting the stars, and with a side of stars. So I'm just gonna do a swatch. I have one of the full size one. So this is topped with brandy. Oh, look at it, so pretty. Alright. I'm gonna do some on my lip so you guys can see. So that's topped with brandy. Oh my god, look at that nude, it's so pretty. And then this is texting the stars. So this is texting the star. Oops. Wow. That's so pretty. This one has more pink in it. So yeah, see? And it dries out matte, okay? And this one is with a side of stars. Ooh, look at that shimmer. Very nice. Okay. Oh, that's so pretty. So this for $35. So all 3 of this, and then this matte lipstick. So this is the full size, and this is the mini one. And I like the only lipstick I actually finish is like Velvet Teddy. That's my go-to. That's my favorite. I finished already like 4 of them, but the rest of the lipsticks I really don't finish it. So this is actually a really good size. This is burnt spice. Burnt spice, and I can show you a swatch. So this is how it looks like. So that's burnt spice. Okay, so I'm gonna try on this lipsticks. First, I'm gonna put in my Vaseline petroleum jelly. So our lips look okay. And then I'm gonna try on this one first, which is Texting with the Stars, so the one with like a more pink tint. So the trick about these retro matte lips that you don't want a lot on the applicator. So this one dries matte. Look how pretty. It's a little shiny right now because it's still wet, but it dries out. Isn't that pretty? The topped with brandy, so this one. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. That's topped with brandy. Wow. Next one is the with a side of stars. So this is the glittery one, the one that you can't really see. I don't know, I have pigment, like my lips are really pigmented, so let's see how this turns out. Most likely this is something that I would top another lip color. Oh wow. Yeah. Yeah, so I wouldn't wear this by itself. It's still really nice, very metallic. I would wear it with like I would have it over a lip color, but I wouldn't wear it by itself. Like I wouldn't, but it looks, maybe for some people who has like lighter lip, who doesn't have that pigmented lip, this would actually look very nice. I would put in, like, I would conceal maybe my lip and the conceal my lip, or have the shade over and then have it gloss over. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys how burnt spice actually look on my lip. So this is how burnt spice look like. So if I'm doing heavy eye, oh my gosh, so if I'm doing heavy eye makeup, I want my eyes to pop, and so I wear something really nude and neutral. You know what, I'm gonna try to top it off with this one and see, maybe just right about here. Oh, that looks beautiful. Hope you guys find this informative. There's a lot of other kits that MAC has, but this is the actually one, because I love I love the nudes. I love anything that's like close to tone. So this is what I grabbed. I might as well share it with you guys. So hope you guys like it. Hope you find it informative. Please follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube, whatever you feel like, and yeah, bye.